Okay, it's approximately 4 p.m. on Friday, the 8th, 2013, and we're checking the two weather zones. The one low pressure area coming from the western part of the United States, Canada, and the nor'easter that came right up from the Gulf area, right up the east coast of the United States. And we're noticing on weatherbug.com the two of them finally combining approximately 4 p.m. And from my viewpoint, it's going to be a monster snow north of New York City, but probably hitting Connecticut badly, Boston badly, and any area north of that area. The two have finally combined, like I said, approximately 4 p.m. today on February the 8th. Right now they're separate. Now you see them coming together, and now they're together at roughly 3:22 p.m. So the indicator says here. The first part of the filming here shows 10:22, then 3:22 in its final position. Notice the red and yellow areas near New York City, near Manhattan. The good news, I suppose, is that initially it will be rain, but that could mean flooding. And that's probably bad news, actually. And at some point it's going to meet a wall of colder weather where we'll switch over to snow somewhere around Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts. There's a little wrap around Cape Cod where you're getting the benefit of the warmer ocean compared to the cold air mass over the land. You can see it wrapping around, almost like a parrot there. And of course the blue meaning rain, the green meaning rain, the yellow and red meaning rain, but the light blue is the snow, and the pink is the freezing rain. And we're noticing all of this happening right now. If you want to switch over to the temperature in that area, here it is. The pink is extremely cold temperatures. Gray near the top is, I don't even want to talk about how cold that is. And the blue is slightly warmer. And you can see where the dividing lines, etc. are. Let's check winds. Winds, where it's orange, very, very bad wind. Cape Cod looks very windy. North shore of Lake Ontario, windy. South coast of Maine, very windy, etc., etc., etc. Doppler radar, let's check it out. Okay, so there's the picture of the precipitation without the clouds. It's one now big mass. One huge mass of precipitation. Let's see if there's any lightning. Just out in lake, or just out in the Atlantic Ocean, where you see those pink things, that's magenta, that's the lightning. Satellite, this doesn't show precipitation, just shows what can be seen probably from outer space. And of course the satellite plus the radar shows you this particular picture. And now it is joined, so watch the bad stuff really begin for the Boston and area around it.